Police don't arrest 2 prophetess. They say they be prophetess. So matter even reach me say they even get church and they do other things. My people for now. When no, these 2 women they kidnap children. No be just to kidnapping sake. After they kidnap them, they will come use mortar pound them inside. The one that they pound fufu. They go pound them inside. After they finish the pound am, they get their different means of delivery. But this delivery, they go straight to politicians for charms. Eweleke, my people, abeg this one, I no even want stay long on this matter, you understand? So for now, when you know wetin dey happen, how they come send people, make they come arrest am, and many things. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Chidimma. Hey.
Abeg, no be everybody wey una see for road be human being. No be everybody. Some people they be spirit in form of human. And now the one wey I no just understand now be say, why be say nowadays all these people they look so old. You understand? Abi they use and cover up. Because if you be young person, people they quick sense security, make they check. But old women, you know, go quickly. Hey, Chineke, you dey pound pikin. Wait oh, I no just understand. This thing they give me heartbreak, heart attack, all the heart failures. You dey pound human being with the blood and everything, all the things where they come out like that. And you know they do now something for body. These women, they no be human being again, forget them. They don't say, their soul don't go devil side long time. Just imagine. See how even they shout. So all this why we dey think say children wey they kidnap, children wey they miss, we dey think say na headsmen. No say we get spiritual heads women. This one pass matter. E pass una the politicians una dey. Forget I know say many of them now they still they breathe. You understand? Because as the woman never mentioned names of politicians which they give now, they feel say they do okay. But make una realize, see, this matter no been there before, but now you don't come. Another one go still come tomorrow. See, every day for the thief. Now one day before the owner. See how she even they shout. Even they shout say, am I running away? Am I running away? Why did you not give this woman a better slap first? Make she focus. You understand? You not forgive her. He told her, make the sense come back. Instead of make you they beg, they don't catch you, they commit atrocity, they commit abomination. You still they shout. I just they imagine how they do this business. So they go pound down. After they pound down, they go come turn the baby, abi the body to soap. Come give politician, make them bath. Abi waiting. No, I just they try. God, they patient. God, they too patient for my liking. You don't understand. Because my time even reach me say for her shrine, she even put Jesus statue. For her shrine, in front of shrine. Hey, Eweleke. All these police people. No make her call na mumu. Because now, person dey shout, person dey at fault. She still dey shout. Una never raise hand, slap am. If na normal citizen now, wey no even do anything, una hand go quick scratch una to dey slap person. I no even blame am sef. Why she no go shout? She need shout na. She need shout when she know say even this arrest wey dey arrest am, go see koko, e no go reach anywhere, because very soon as this same government wey go there, na dem go still release am. They work together. So without this woman, this politics wey dey do, e no go work. So they need the woman. So wetin you expect? They go release am. No be today yansh dey for back, abeg. See, parents, make una stop dey do busybody. I'm busy, I'm going to the office, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Busy bao. Start taking your children to school and pick them by yourself. E be like say una think say all these things wey dey happen na Africa magic. Una think say na movie wey we dey record relax until e happen to you, na there you go wake up. Take your children by yourself. When children close from school, una know say they no dey focus, na so they go just dey waka, person go just distract them small with sweet or biscuit or something, they don go. Una go come dey disturb our own ear. Make everybody dey very careful this period. Parents, no dey do busybody o. If not, una go soji. Una go soji o. Hey, and for all of una no fit stay one place. Today I get matter for everybody, especially women. Una no fit just dey one place. Na only women go dey find fruit of the womb, salad of the breast, husband, everything. Women, now we dey find everything for this life. We no fit just sit down one place. And na because these people dey see say we too dey desperate. Now why dey build fake things? Because they know say una no go care whether e dey original or fake, as long as say e go give una results. Now why they even dey use una head? Dey one place. Now you dey give yourself pikin. No be God dey give people children. You dey find fruit of the womb. Stay in one place. I no just understand. And una too, men, una dey follow out for this pressure. Una follow. Woman never born 1 year, 2 years. Una don dey talk. In-laws too, una join. Now una dey even dey push women outside. No be all. Some women ojukokoro too dey worry them. Nobody dey disturb them. Na them on their own go just dey waka. Abeg, make everybody know where e stand o. Because I just dey imagine this one are just the ones wey we catch. Imagine how many children they don turn to powder. Imagine how many children they don turn to soap. Nothing say na joke. All these things, they be real. They are real. I don't know whether una wan make her speak Igbo, abi Spanish, abi French before una go know say this thing where they turn a serious matter. It is real. I no go talk past this one because I know say police people, government people, politicians. I know say this one where I go come talk now, e go enter here, go come out from this other side. But please, this woman needs to be arrested. In as much as say I know say e go enter here, come out for here, I still need to talk am. Arrest this woman. Make she no come out from that place because she dey cause harm to this society. We no need people like this to dey waka free. We no need them. You go shock una sef say this woman even get children. Hey, God, do something. Do something, because this country is becoming upside down. You understand? Make una dey pray for Nigeria. It is very, very important. So drop una comment for that comment section. Whether you think say na true I talk, abi no be true. Wetin they suppose do to that woman? Anything at all wey you know say e dey your mind. Because this matter we need tackle am together. Since people wey need wake up, they dey sleep. You understand? Drop am there. And make sure say you share this video. E need reach the right places and right sources. Subscribe if you never subscribe and click on that notification so that you no go miss anything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.